Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yo, go, go, go.
Okay, so here we are inside. Let's just go back here, and this is my consumption for today. And you can see I use 33 watts there. You can see here we're up to, oh, there we go, 2.8. And this is what we draw. This is overnight while we're all asleep. You can see the fridge. It's got to be the fridge. It can't be anything else kicking in. You can see the fridge is very, very power efficient, okay? Extremely power efficient, that LG inverter fridge. Extremely power efficient. And you can still see it here on top of our awake loads, even up here on top of our normal loads. Yeah, it's really interesting. But what you can also see here, I wish this was live, but it's not. It's not live. It's on a time lapse, just like the Victron stuff was. But what you can also see here, which I've never seen an inverter that'll show you this before, okay? Over here you can see we're consuming 333 watts. The inverter coming out of the batteries, we have 412 watts coming out of the batteries, okay? And you can see the batteries at 100% full. So the difference between this figure here and this figure here is what the inverter is self-consuming to turn that 51 DC volts into 230 to 35 AC volts. Okay, now this inverter's meant to be 97% efficient. But what I have noticed is the higher you consume, and I wish I could show you this live, but the higher it consumes, the less it seems to be self-consuming to produce that amount. Anyway, hopefully I'll catch it in another video and show it to you. Now, we don't have any solar on today or anything like that, so I'm not worried about showing us any of that sort of stuff. Up here in the perimeters, okay, you can see we can click all sorts of things. Okay, we've got production, consumption, and there is no production because the solar's not on it yet. So it's reading everything as if it's coming from the battery, even though it's not, because I've got it all hooked into that Blue Sea bus bar. And because this is a grid tie, this is a hybrid one, you can see feed-in power. If I was on the grid, but I'm not, as you all know, I'm 100% disconnected from the grid. Purchasing power, charging power, discharging power. So basically if I tick that, okay, you can see I'm discharging the same because I am. That's exactly the same. Basically this is just mirrored, okay? We go down here. It's just mirrored, okay. Then we got state of charge. Now this will show you, okay, on this one here, it's showing you my daily usage and my state of charge. You can see overnight it's going down, 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 down to what do we get to? About 68, 67, 66, 65, 64. You can see we're still, this is our awake, and then we didn't really have any sun, but then we started to get some charge in. And that's important because the hot water system we have turning on at 10, okay? So this is why I can jump. This is the hot water system right here, this consumption. But you can see just through the clouds, I'm also charging, and I'm 100% full right there. That's 11:35 on a day like today, 100% full, which is pretty good. But we can go back. Oh, well, we can't go. The system's only been going for 26 days. So I've got 26 days of data in here, okay? And we can go backwards. What's this perimeter? Here we go. Self-use. See, I've got more stuff I can do down here as well. I actually like this one here with the charging. And this is going to be even more interesting when we get the solar in. More interesting, a lot more interesting. But we can go back. We can go backwards here. We can go to any day, any month, year, total. We can get a total out of this. So this year so far, I've done 261.30 kilowatt hours, and that was in the last, what did I say, 26 days. And yeah, it's really good, really interesting. So this is from the 1st, and we're currently on the 12th. Okay, so far today I've used 7.7 kilowatt hours. Okay, yesterday we used 12.8 kilowatt hours. A little bit less. Here we used 14 kilowatt hours, and some days we use absolutely nothing, 9 kilowatt hours, 8 kilowatt hours. Oh yeah, I can tell you, I'm really enjoying this. And here, okay, we can go to days. Like that down here was months and years, and up here we've got days. So we can go back to yesterday, and you can see me charging this. It was really a bad day yesterday, but you can see we got full at 11:40, and we started discharging at 16:45. Yeah. But let's have a look at another day, shall we? Let's go to the 10th. There we go. You can see the days are bad. It's really good. Look, I love these. What I'm trying to do is, at the moment, they haven't got a public viewing page, okay? And I have asked George if you can speak to the programmer and just get this viewing page right here, this viewing page, without letting you into any of this other stuff. Just an overview. So you can actually come in and see how the system's doing yourself. I'm really trying to work hard at doing that. Overall, Ziggy and I are extremely happy with the way the inverter's working and the way the batteries are working. I tell you, it's just blowing our mind. I mean, on days like this with the lead acid bank, because due to the internal resistance of the AGMs, or any lead acid battery for that matter, whether they're cylindrical cells, it doesn't matter. A lead acid battery is a lead acid battery, just the medium changes. They've still got, basically, unless you get into carbons and stuff, they've got, and that's still got very poor resistance. Yeah, the resistance in them is so great that we would have put next to no power into the batteries and we would have been running the generator today. Okay, that's how bad it's been. But the lithium batteries, they've just, I tell you what, they are a real game changer. And this inverter, noiseless. I haven't heard the fans come on yet. As a matter of fact, you've seen in the cupboard there, I've just closed up the air vent because my batteries were starting to cool down. And they're being kept at a very comfortable 23 to 17 degrees Celsius. And it's just brilliant. It's brilliant. Absolutely brilliant. Anyway, if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't enjoy it, by all means, thumbs it down. We don't mind at all. And comment, people. Please comment. Even if you leave an emoji, it really helps my channel if you're commenting. And all you people that are watching and not commenting or thumbsing up or thumbsing down, please do. You know, everyone can see how many views it's had, and everyone can see how many comments it's had. You're really letting us down. Really letting us down. So we would really appreciate a simple smiley face or a wave, you know, and either a thumbs up or a thumbs down. We would really appreciate that. All right, this is a bit of a different video. Let me know if you like these videos, and I will put more of them up there, especially once I get solar in here. So it'll be really more interactive then, and you can really see what's going on. At the moment, I've only got the charge parameters set, but when I can get it so I can, when we get production coming in, production power from the solar, whoa, all right, that's going to make it really interesting. All right, keep safe, everyone. Hope you enjoyed this video, and remember, if you're not subscribed, please subscribe, or thumbs it up, or thumb it down. It's all good. Okay, cheerio, bye for now.